You want?
Agnosia, when the heart of the brain builds.
No scale, and be sure.
Hello, and welcome to another vlog. So, I'm starting the week on Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and I am taking a break. I'm almost done with my shift. I wasn't able to take a video earlier because, in the mornings, it's just something I'm not used to taking videos right away when I wake up. So, yeah, I'm just taking a break right now, and I just want to show you what I've ordered again. No, not again, but I ordered something from the mail from Shopee because it's a big box. It's like my shampoo supply, since I noticed my hair is falling really hard. Not hard, but clumps of hair has been falling out recently, and I really think it's because I'm using, shampoo everyone else uses in the house that does not have hair fall problems. Only me has hair fall problems, so I think the shampoo is like too harsh for my hair. So I decided to order from L'Oreal. Wow, this is packed really good. It's actually nice. I ordered from L'Oreal because they went on a bundle sale. Wow, it's well packed. Look at that. If it breaks and if it still leaks, if it still breaks or leaks, I don't know what to do anymore if that happens. Yes, there. It's anti-hair fall from L'Oreal. Full resist detangling conditioner. I ordered just one conditioner because this one is quite expensive. The shampoo is a little bit affordable, but it's a big bottle though. If I'm the only one using it, it should last me for a few months, I guess, because I don't really put it on like every day. I skip days just to give your hair a rest, because using products all the time, not advisable. There. Oh wow, a shampoo is also the same size. Yes. Now this is also anti-hair fall, full resist purifying shampoo, and yeah, from the same brand, L'Oreal. Cause I chose them since I actually used one of their clarifying anti-frizz shampoo and condition. Just shampoo, and I kind of like how how my hair turns out after I use it. I bought it from Watson's, and it's also very expensive. It's more expensive than Watson's. So I decided to buy it online. It takes time to arrive, but it arrives, and well, good thing they packed the stuff well. There's no problem receiving them. I'll link them down below if you guys want to try. I also give an update if it really works. Because, yeah, here, look at that. Yay!
It's 6.9 because Then we got a funnel cake cream cookie shot. Julie described this as fun and innovative, despite making me take 90% of the shot. 8.15 out of 100. Especially considering this mother clucker sandwich was only $14. Despite it.
I just ended my shift, and I was about to cook food for myself because I haven't eaten, and it's already like 1 o'clock, almost 2. But I changed my mind because we have a Korean store haul. I ordered food instead. I ordered gimbap mini because it's like less than 100, I guess. Tteokbokki because these are the requests of my children because they still want to eat after lunch. And then this is mine, which is jjajangmyeon. I love jjajangmyeon. I wish for jjajangmyeon to be spicy, but unfortunately it's not. And then some grocery items as well. So I'm really unboxing it here in my workstation. I'm gonna put it inside of it, of course. But yeah, I've got kimchi, 2 tubs of kimchi because we didn't have any stock of kimchi. Some pork and some pickled radish. IKEA Drake, you want? Yeah. This is your order.
What is it?
Wait, I forgot my cooking chopsticks. Can you get my chopsticks? Nasagsari. You want?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you? One more step out of line and you're out of here.
Me first and then Kuya.
Does he have? Hello, and good morning. Today is July 11, and I am currently working at the moment. So I just got off from work today, and I decided to make some tacos for the family. And we just harvested romaine lettuce because they're like overdue. They've been in there for longer. They should be harvested long time ago, but we just didn't because we were kind of busy. And now that we had a time, so I'm making tacos. Look, it's so sad. What the hell? I'm just gonna turn this into crispy pita na lang. Yeah. Here's the finished product. I'm so pissed because it's not that great, but it's okay. It tastes good though. And I made the crispy ones into the loose ones into crispy
Feel what you feel,
pita
and then learn
with
to
a sauce.
identify a new path.
It
Your
tastes good.
reaction was actually
And
quite
we're
normal.
currently watching a movie.
Yay!
that's me.
We're watching the Backrooms movie.
Well, ahoy there!
Yeah.
Mateys! Tired of spending your hard-earned doubloons on overpriced furniture?
Requested by my son.
Deals!
Hello guys, and good evening. It's 8:23 and I'm just about to take my dinner. I have here fish, adobong puset, and some soup with rice. I mixed it in. Lugaw, because I really like those kinds of, or those types of food, like soup with rice. Although I've been thinking of changing my diet since I'm getting really bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. This is like the cons of working as a desk job. Well, it's not, I'm a VA, but I would still categorize it as a desk job. So we always sit every day, and yeah, eating like this would definitely make you bigger, especially in the stomach area. But yeah, let's eat for now, and